a switch, to touch a switch, a switch to touch a light switch in the dark.
This is not a real song, but if the Beatles can put out Why Don't We Do It in the Road, which is not a real song, I figured I can put this one out. I was taking piano lessons recently, and I learned about 6/9 chords. Let me demonstrate. The most common chord in music is a major chord. 1, 3, 5. In rock and jazz and pop music and the blues, you often add the 7th. And sometimes the 9th. But in 50 years of making music, I never knew you could add the 6th instead of the 7th. Or you can put the 6th up higher. To fix the concept of the 6/9 chord in my brain, I decided to write a song with only 6/9 chords. This is it. The words came from a nothing little poem I had written about my fear of bugs. I've been trying to write less dense songs with fewer words. So I took this poem and spread out the words. I like it a lot, but it's not a real song.
To touch a switch, to touch a switch, a switch to touch a light switch in the dark.